So the company SmallRig has kindly sent me out this grip designed power bank, and this is going to be compatible with any action camera. Now let's take it out of the box and take a closer look at it. Right, so that's everything outside the box. So straight away on the far right here we've got the lanyard. And now this is a side cover for your GoPro cameras. Then we've got the USB-C charging cable. And then we've got the grip designed power bank itself, which we're going to take a look at shortly. And then finally the instructions manual. Right, now let's clear the table and take a closer look at the grip designed power bank. And once again, this feels really well made and solid to the touch. It's got a rubber grip design here. We've got a 1/4 inch thread mount underneath. This is the remote control we're going to take a look at later. This just pops on and off, and that's where you'll charge it via USB-C. That's magnetically snaps back in position. This is where you're going to charge your cameras via USB-C. Everything's USB-C today, so it's compatible with everything like I said earlier. And what's great about this one is when you've got your action camera on top and plugged in, you'll be able to extend this while it's charging still. So that's great because some cheaper models, the power cord's down here, so you can't extend it whilst recording. So that's a great feature. And then we've got the lanyard, and that's just going to attach to the little plastic hole there. I'm hoping this is going to be an easy one. Some of these can be really tricky. Yeah, that wasn't too painful. And that just goes around your arm, and you can adjust it with the strap there. So this handles 5,000 milliamps, and you'll charge it via USB-C at the bottom here. It'll take around about an hour to charge. And then you've got the magnetic remote control, and that's 130 milliamps. And once again, charge it USB-C, and that takes no time at all to charge. And then you'll also notice there's another USB-C charging port at the top. So that's going to be great for charging any other accessory. Let's just say you've got your camera on there and you need power for a lighting source. You can double up there and have that power going into the light, microphone and the camera at the same time whilst you charge it at the bottom. And as you can see on top, it comes as standard with that 1/4 inch thread. So I've got the SmallRig compatibility adapter here, and I'll put that on so I can fix an action camera on just to show you. Now let's fix an action camera on top and plug it in and see how it works. So I've got the Action 6 and we'll magnetically snap it on with a SmallRig adapter. That's nice and secure. And then we'll just plug that directly into the USB-C. And straight away it's got power to the camera. So now let's see how this handle works with an action camera. Right, so now you can see we've got it plugged in and activated with the Action 6. So now let's activate pairing mode on the Action 6. First of all, I just want to press and hold the power button on the remote for 3 seconds. And then straight away we've got a connection request, so we'll accept that. Now we'll double tap the power button here so it goes in pairing mode. So as you've just seen, that took no time at all. So what you've got to do, you've got to power this on, keep that power button 3 seconds, that activates the green lights, and then you double tap the power button. Then you get a blue indication and it'll highlight the camera there. And straight away, as you've seen, the code pops up on the Action 6. You accept that code and straight away it's paired up. As you'll see, I'll just press that shutter button right now. That starts recording. I'll hit it once more to stop recording. And then the M you can see on the remote, we'll just press that.
Photo. Video.
And that toggles through the menus. So you're in photo mode there, you just hit that to take a photo. So that remote really responsive and it hooked up straight away without any issues. And then like I said earlier, we can extend this and we've still got power to the camera, so it's still charging the camera, and then at the same time I can hit that shutter button. So to summarise, the power handles 5,000 milliamp, the remote's 130 milliamp. You'll fully charge it with the USB-C power point at the bottom there. And like I said earlier, once it's connected to any kind of action camera, it's going to charge it straight away, as you can see. And then we've also got that extra port right there, another USB-C to charge another device. So you'll just plug that in, and then you'll be able to charge it another action camera, a lighting accessory, a microphone, or your smartphone there. And then just to show you the versatility between action cameras, I've got the Insta360 X5 here, so it's completely different to the DJI Action camera. So once again, we'll just press and hold for 3 seconds. And then we'll double tap that power button to put it into pairing mode. And now we need to pair it to the X5. We'll just swipe down, swipe right to left. We've got Bluetooth, and then as you can see, it's found it there, but it's listed as Insta360 GPS remote, as it doesn't actually identify the SmallRig remote. So we'll just tap this. And now you can see the remote's connected. So now as we back out, we'll now have full control over the X5. So as you'll see there, I'll just hit the shutter button and it'll start recording. And just as easy, we'll just hit the shutter button again, stop recording. And then we can hit the M to toggle through the menus. As you can see there, it's toggling through the menus. So as I've just demonstrated there, you can affix any action camera to it or a 360 camera. And as you've just seen, this is really responsive and finds the Bluetooth connectivity straight away without any issues. So no matter what mobile phone or action camera you own, you'll be able to stick it on top of this, charge it, and wirelessly connect to it. So it's a really decent bit of kit. So if you're interested in buying this grip design power bank from SmallRig, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and that'll send you straight to the SmallRig website where you'll be able to purchase it. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon, especially with any new accessories for all these latest action cameras and drones. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.